Warming up my soldering iron. So one of the first things we'll do is connect our pickup selector. So I'm just turning the guitar over again and I'll install that pickup while I'm waiting for the soldering iron to heat up. Okay, so next, just taking the pick guard, you want to install the pickup selector like so. So the side facing up will be the chamfered holes. Just push that through like so. And put the washer in place and the nut over the top. And it also suggests just putting down some sort of protection for the guitar. Okay, so first thing we want to do is just quickly tin our soldering iron.